What's up, everybody? Austin coming at you with Vaporleaf.com. Today we're going to be talking about the Vaporesso Renova Zero Pod Vape. To charge the Zero, you just use a micro USB at the bottom of the device. To turn the device on and off, it's 5 quick clicks of this button, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can see it flashes red off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, green on. You can cycle through your power levels of low, medium, and high with 3 clicks. Low being red, medium being blue, and green being high. It will also display the remaining battery life of your device when you take a drag. Once again, low being red, medium being blue, and high being green. The pods are held in magnetically. To fill your pod, you just want to use this little plunger right there. Use your juice bottle. Press down on that plunger and fill your pod. You want to make sure you let new pods set for at least 15 minutes before starting to vape on them. This is due to a vertical ceramic coil that is being used inside of here. The ceramic wicking material can take a lot longer than cotton usually takes to wick. Some other side effects of this can be a weird break-in flavor that lasts a little bit longer than cotton, but a good side effect can be that ceramic is known to last quite a bit longer than traditional cotton wicking material. Once your pod's primed, you just pop it into the device and you're ready to vape. Because the Zero pods have a ceramic wicking material, you always want to start new pods at the low power setting and gradually work the power level up throughout the day. Keep in mind that you do not need to go to the high or even medium setting. If you are happy with the vape experience at the low power level, by all means, keep it there. The Zero accommodates a wide range of mouth-to-lung draw styles due to the relatively open airflow paired with the fairly sensitive auto-draw activation switch built into the device.
Alright, thank you so much for watching. You can pick this up on our website at vaporleaf.com or come check it out in our shop in Lakewood, Colorado. We'll see you next time. Bye.